Hi. You looked a bit tense. What happened?
Yeah, my mobile phone is having issues, and I tried hard, but not able to get any help or support.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, now I have made up my mind to change my phone.
Well, that is because I always use OPPO phones, which offers best service through their OPPO Care support.
What is OPPO Care?
OPPO Care is your go-to place for unlocking your OPPO device's full potential. Let me help you discover a comprehensive support system designed to keep your OPPO phone running smoothly.
Please go ahead.
Firstly, you can utilize the tool on the OPPO website or My OPPO app to delve further into your device. You can easily help yourself by searching for any setting and access detailed step-by-step guides. Moreover, for your ease, there is Ollie, your friendly AI companion, available 24/7 to offer full support. Whether you prefer voice commands or a relaxed chat on WhatsApp, Ollie is there to provide quick answers and guidance whenever you need it.
What if I need personal touch to get better clarity on my queries?
For those moments when you need a personal touch, OPPO's customer support team is just a tap away. Connect with friendly experts via phone call, platinum support, live chat, and social media for tailored assistance. If still you are unable to get solutions, or you just need hands-on support for the smartphone, you can always visit OPPO service centers. Visit one near you for hands-on support from the tech heroes, and watch as they work their magic, solving your device's issues right before your eyes. You can even apply for free pickup and drop-off service.
That's amazing.
Yes, it is, and there's more to that. There are many surprises that come to you every month. You can enjoy amazing discounts on repairs and flexible EMI options on repairs, making it easier than ever to keep your device in top shape.
Wow, that's simply awesome. OPPO support is something more than I can imagine. Thanks for introducing me to it. My next phone is definitely going to be OPPO phone.
Great choice. After buying your OPPO phone, you can also explore a treasure trove of detailed tutorials and helpful tips that will turn you into an OPPO Pro. As always, remember, OPPO cares for you.